Hi guys, good morning. Today I would like to discuss about SQL Concepts second episode. Previous episode we learned about DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, some other languages and all these stuffs, everything okay related to what is what and introduction to the SQL, all this stuff, right? So in this session we are going to learn about what is DML, DCL, TCL, okay, all these things, and I'll explain you what is what and all, okay. So first of all, you all know about SQL, right? SQL is nothing but structured query language. A structured query language is nothing but we need to store the data in a structure format and retrieve the data in the form of a structure. So that is called as a SQL. That is nothing but a structured query language. Okay. So to store or to retrieve, we are using some language things. So that is called as a query language. Okay. So this is not like the other languages which you learn like C, C++, Java, all this stuff. Okay, this is a little bit different from all these things because this is a database related language, and those are like somewhat different language. Those are front end languages. Okay, we can say like that. Okay, the back end languages are a little bit different. Okay, so a structured query language is part uh, divided into four categories. One is DDL, second one is DML, third one is DCL, fourth one is TCL. Okay, so what is this? Okay, so what is DML, DDL, DCL, TCL, all these things and all, right? So first of all, what you need to learn from this is okay, what is your goal? First you should know about what is your goal. Okay, first thing we need to store the data. Okay, we need to store the data. We need to retrieve the data. Okay, these two are our main goals. So in this case, okay, we need to store our data and we need to retrieve our data, right? Everything is good till now. Okay, so if you think about hard disk is having so many memory locations, but we need some memory locations of bandwidth, the name. So for that purpose, I think you all know about the structured language, basic structure of the language, which is nothing but a table. A table is consists of rows, and columns. Okay, I think in a last class we discussed about this rows and columns. So this is a nothing but a structure to store a particular data into the tables. Okay, right. So first of all, what we need to do is in the complete entire space of hard disk, we need to create a space for one table. So first thing, we need to create a space to a table. Okay, that means we need to create a table first. After that, what we need to do, need to insert some data into the table. Okay, so these two are the our subtasks to achieve the first goal. Okay, so what we need to do, first of all we need to create a table. we all are doing like it is nothing but a construction of a house. Okay, we cannot directly build a house. Okay, first of all, what we need to do, we need to design a structure in such a way that, okay, this is where the bedroom is, this is where the hall is, this is where the kitchen is, this is where the some utility kind of thing, right? So in the same case, the oracle also is asking about the storage and all. Okay, where to store, what is a column, what is a row, all these things the oracle no. So what we need to do, first of all, we should create a table. So to create a table, we need what is the columns, what are the columns, what type of data can be stored. Okay, all these things you should know about the data. So that is one thing. The second thing is here, what we are doing, we are doing on structure. Okay, we are not modifying any data, we are not inserting any data, we are not dealing with data first. Okay, so these all are comes under as this create and all are comes under as DDL, data definition language. Okay, the data definition language is nothing but the whatever the commands we have. Okay, those commands are able to apply on only the particular structure of a data, not on the data. Okay, so this is nothing but a data definition language. Okay, so what we can do is, so we know about create. So create is a data definition language, and after completion of everything, okay, we don't want to require the tables and all, so all the stuff. So at that time we need to drop the structure. Okay, we need to drop the structure or free up the space. Okay, this is called as a drop. Okay, in between these two actions we can do altering of the particular table. Okay, or we can add a particular column, we can change the data type of a column, we can add two or more columns. Okay, all these things are came into the picture, so that is called as alter. So alter is nothing but we can alter the structure of the table. Okay, so these three mainly considered as data definition languages. Okay, this is nothing but a data definition language. Thank you.